I'm sure you've heard the news. The PostureRemind Pro is here to revolutionize your desk life. Let's dig into it. First off, what is the PostureRemind Pro? It's a smart wearable that gently vibrates to remind you when you're slouching. Setup is a breeze. Just connect it to the PostureRemind app and you're good to go. Lightweight and discreet, you can wear it under your clothes without any hassle. Now, let's talk features. Customizable reminders. Set the vibration intervals and intensities to suit your needs. Plus, the app tracks your posture over time, giving you insights into your habits and progress. I've been using it for 2 weeks and wow, what a difference. Each gentle buzz nudged me to sit up straight almost instinctively. Pros: customizable reminders, lightweight design, and a helpful tracking app. Cons: limited battery life and a bit of an adjustment period. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about improving your posture, this is a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. Have you tried the PostureRemind Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep sitting up straight and take care.